Let's reduce hallucinations by tracing evidence, not by guessing at prompt tricks. In Knowledge Test, keep the exact 5 Northstar warranty questions, result counts, and explanations together. Every variation is correctly marked. Not answered because the active sources contain no 2028 warranty policy. That is a successful safety baseline. Record the model, role version, active sources, and timestamp. If the bot ever invents coverage, duration, or exceptions, preserve that exact answer before changing anything. Next, open data sources and take a proper inventory. This demo has an approved Northstar Knowledge PDF and a small team wiki, and both need to show completed indexing. Use search content for warranty, refund, cancellation, and close synonyms instead of assuming the wording is missing. For every policy, note its owner, effective date, audience, and authoritative source. If the answer is absent, add it to an approved source or keep the safe fallback. Do not hide a changing business rule inside the custom role. The role controls behavior, it is not the source of truth. Now, run the Knowledge Optimizer audit and wait for the real result. A finding can point to duplicate wording, a conflict, or a source that is too thin. A clean result is useful too, but it does not prove that a missing policy exists. Either way, treat the screen as a lead for review, not an automatic edit. Open the underlying excerpts and compare headings, conditions, dates, and reading order. If a PDF dropped a table column or mixed unrelated paragraphs, fix the source or extraction first and then re-index it. That is safer than trying to compensate with a stronger prompt. Now open configuration and edit the custom role. Keep it practical. Name the assistant's job, say which evidence it may use, explain what to do when information is missing or conflicting, and define a real escalation path. Short testable rules work better than a long paragraph of personality adjectives. The critical instruction is simple. Never invent a policy, date, price, code, coverage term, or completed account action. If the sources do not support the answer, say that clearly and offer the approved support route. Save the previous version and remove any line such as always answer that fights this safety rule. Finally, open a fresh test chat and ask for Northstar's refund policy for annual contracts. The safe answer should explain that the available sources do not contain the policy. Check the wording carefully. There must be no invented deadline, refund percentage, processing fee, exception, or claim that a human handoff already happened. Then ask for the verification code. It should return Nordstern 42 from the approved source. Repeat the 5 warranty variants and 1 ambiguous question before release. If the known answer fails, return to source, extraction, and retrieval. Compare models only when the correct passage is retrieved reliably, but the assistant still mishandles it.